How to turn a very boring slide into a really interesting slide. Add a rounded corner rectangle onto the picture. Increase its radius. Duplicate it and place it next to the first one and increase or decrease its size. There you go. Now duplicate it again. Decrease or increase its size as compared to the third one. Now duplicate one again and make it smaller from the third ones. There you go. Next duplicate it again. And again. Make its size real small. Paste it as well. Move it with the ends and select all of these shapes. Group them. There you go. Decrease the size. According to the picture size, you have to decrease its size or increase its size. Now right click on it and group them again. There you go. Now what you have to do next is group all of them, select them, group them. Now go align them into the middle. There you go. And you have to change their color. Now go to merge and union. There you go. Now all the shapes are one shape in which you can insert your image. Let's go. Select this shape and the image. Select both of them, go to shape format, merge, and merge them. There you go. That's the final result. If you like the video, be sure to comment down and subscribe my channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get more videos like these. You can give animations to this if you want. I have made many videos on PowerPoint presentations as well. You can get the links below in my description. Till then, see you in my next video. And there you go about the slideshow. This is the slideshow of the template. Alright, that's it. So be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.